Yo, good morning, guys. Spaghetti Eddie. I'm gonna be showing you guys how to download any app on your iPhone without Wi-Fi, guys. I have Wi-Fi, but I'm gonna show you guys how to do it without Wi-Fi. If you don't, make sure your Wi-Fi is turned off. Well, mine is ready. I disconnected from my internet Wi-Fi. Alright, guys. So I'm gonna be showing you guys how to download over just your cellular. Alright, guys. First, obviously you're gonna want to go to the App Store and search up your game. I will show you a tutorial how to get PUBG, guys. Just haven't watched that video, go ahead and watch how to get PUBG, guys. Alright, guys, we're gonna get PUBG. Let's see, guys. PUBG, guys. Let's hit it. Alright, guys. Now this pops up. This item is over 150 MB. Less or Wi-Fi. Well, it's called Wellen in China. Hit OK. Alright, now you're gonna see it's just waiting, guys. Now you're gonna want to go to settings, go to general, date and time, unswitch that, go to February, let's see, switch it to June, guys, why not? June, general, hit back, and PUBG start downloading, guys. And if I think it should, alright. And yeah, guys, see, as you can see now, PUBG, what is this? I cancel that, I don't know what that is. Guys, PUBG is downloading. And that's how you download large apps off just your cellular internet, guys, or your data. And PUBG is downloading, guys, and that's how you do it, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. Out.